Hey everyone, my name is Colin, pronouns he, him. I'm the Calumet College Council President.
Hi there, my name's Amanda Sampson, pronouns she, her, and I'm the Calumet Orientation Chair. Now, we're here today to talk about Frosh Week. So you're probably wondering, what is Frosh Week? Frosh Week, or also known as Orientation Week, is the transition period of coming to university and getting used to university life. Here at York University, we want to make sure it's a really inclusive space for everyone and everyone to have a place or a home here at Calumet College. And it's a fantastic time, and you can talk to the students who will be in your classes as well, and also talk to upper years who can give you advice here at York University. Now, Colin, can you guess what the theme is?
2000s?
No, it's back to the 80s, and it's totally tubular.
Oh, so what is Calumet? Calumet is one of 9 different colleges at York University. Calumet represents the psych majors, the global health majors, and the health science majors.
So this totally wicked week is soon approaching, and it's from August 31st to September 8th.
Tickets are selling out fast, so please follow the link here, whyyoustart.yorku.ca. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the emails below. If you want to check out calumetcollegecouncil.ca for more information.
We are so excited to see you all at Frosh Week. Welcome to Calumet College.
Frosh kits are selling out fast, so use the link here, whyyoustart.yorku.ca.
Cut. Action.
If you have
Action.
okay, no, we'll try again. Just go. Let's go.
Alright, okay.
We'll cut pair. That's fine.
Action.
Okay. Shh.
Okay, shut up! Point on the set.
If
Action.
you have any questions for us, please use the emails below. Stop, Ryan! That was you!
I'm sorry, what the Alright, we're gonna say action again, okay? We're gonna say this is still the same take.
I'm sorry.
Are we doing action?
I'm gonna say action. Action. Cut!